Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something I've never done before. I am decorating lanterns. I am accepting the challenge put on by the beautiful Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. She does some beautiful lanterns, you guys, and she puts on this challenge every season for us to decorate our lanterns or decorate an area of our homes with lanterns. And I love lanterns. I have several of them, but I've never actually decorated one. I have these two beautiful lanterns. They are from Target, end of summer clearance, and I love them. I think they're so modern and beautiful. They're actually outdoor lanterns, and they come with LED candles on a timer. I did each one of them a little bit different, and I want you guys to tell me which one's your favorite. So for the first one, I created a mini wreath out of cranberry picks. I just strung them together with some wire, and then I placed the mini wreath around the candle, and I didn't want it to lay flat because I wanted to be able to see the cranberries from any angles. And then for the top, all I did is I created a very simple swag using a green pick and these really pretty sugar cranberries, and then I'm adding a bow with this blue velvet ribbon that I'm also using this year. I used it in my wreath that I just made, my oversized copper pipe wreath, and I'm gonna use it in my Christmas tree. I did add these really cute copper bells that I've had for a while. I got them from a website called Factory Direct a few years ago, and I think they still have them. They're really, really darling, and I take them out just about every holiday season. For the other lantern, I'm actually really loving this one, and I know it's not much, but I tend to gravitate towards really simple, kind of less is more things, and because these lanterns are so sleek and clean, I think this kind of styling goes better with it. Let me know what you guys think. But all I did was I took the same sugar cranberries that I used on the swag for the other lantern, and I just removed each berry from its stem, and then I used it kind of like a filler, and I just threw the berries inside the lantern, and honestly this alone makes this lantern pop. The pop of red looks really, really pretty. And then I created this really pretty bow. I didn't want to add a bow with loops because again I wanted to complement the clean lines of the lantern, so I just made this bow. I cut out 8 pieces 10 inches long, and then I dovetailed all of the ends. I cut a slit through the middle of all of the pieces of ribbon, and I used wire to tie it in the center. And then the rest of this bow is just a lot of fluffing and tucking and arranging and just making it look fluffy. I used the same wire that I used to attach the ribbons together to attach it to the top of the lantern, and that's it. It was super simple, super quick, but I honestly think this one is the winner for me, for my style. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite? I had a lot of fun decorating these lanterns, and by the way, this is a challenge, so there is a playlist with other creators decorating their lanterns, so don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to check out Kenya. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some ideas, and I'll see you guys on my next one.